Insurance premiums are skyrocketing for condo owners with no relief in sight. Today, the state is taking some action. But will it be enough? I spoke to officials who say they are trying to help.
We are doing everything we can to help stabilize the market.
The state insurance commissioner says insurance premiums for homeowners have spiked, in large part due to increased costs of repairing and replacing losses linked to natural disasters, including the Lahaina wildfires. Representative Scott Saiki is part of a joint task force put together by the governor to tackle the problem. He says condominiums are being hit particularly hard.
In some cases, you've seen the cost of insurance go from $200,000 a year to over $1 million.
And condo owners are forced to pay the difference.
The problem that condo buildings are facing now is that there are only 3 property insurers doing business in the state. And those companies are not insuring buildings at full value, at 100% of the value of the buildings, which is why condo buildings have to go out and piece together layers of insurance coverage to make sure that they can fully insure, they can fully cover their buildings.
He says that's driving up the costs. And if buildings aren't fully insured, it creates a domino effect, because anyone looking to purchase a condo in a building not fully covered would have to pay cash for it. On Wednesday, Governor Josh Green signed an emergency proclamation to create more hurricane coverage options for condominiums. But residents say more needs to be done to solve the problem for all homeowners.
It's terrifying to think, what is this going to do to Hawaii in 10 years?
He says the insurance for his townhome community jumped from $149,400 last year to over $733,000 this year. So he'll have to fork out an extra $4,500 to cover his unit.
How it would increase by 400% just to cover the roofs and the exterior of the building. It doesn't make sense.
And that doesn't even include his HOA fees or the additional insurance he's required to purchase to cover his townhome itself. Saiki says he understands the frustration and sees the need for change moving forward.
We're going to have to rethink this whole model of property insurance and how it's provided, how it's paid for, what it covers, especially since natural disaster risk doesn't seem to be decreasing.
The state insurance commissioner says homeowners need to review their policies to make sure they are properly insured. One thing he says they noticed after the Lahaina wildfires is that many homeowners were underinsured and didn't have enough insurance to cover their losses.